Volunteering with EHRA goes beyond observing elephants. It is about building protective walls that protect human infrastructure, sometimes equipped with solar-powered systems. The villages maintain elephant drinking dams, and during build weeks, volunteers collect rock and sand, and sometimes dig the foundations. All the equipment is transported to the site, and a live nutrients camp is established. This is the kitchen. All volunteers take part in camp life, and duties are shared. They sleep under the stars. During patrol week, it is about monitoring and tracking elephants, identifying them and assessing their health, learning about their behaviour, and sometimes observing them from a copy. Many elephants will be encountered in the wild, but not only, as Namibia is home to many wildlife species, rich diversity. Volunteers will understand the human-elephant conflict and help when needed. When it is investigated, they will understand how it is managed and gain a deeper understanding at the education center. It is a memorable experience in a vast open landscape.